Hello, hello, hello everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein for the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Einstein of Wall Street. It is May 17th. It is option expiration. It's 4:53 and this market is on the red side. We've seen every possible thing a market can do in one day. We came in, there's a lot of negative stuff coming out about China and the posturing between the two presidents and all that, and option expiration and people being anxious over a Friday and option X and negative China news. We came in, we were down 250 points. Even, a little bit of a knee jerk off of yesterday, the last couple of days of rally on lack of bad news and minor positive news. I think it's important for us to note, though, at a market where we're at, right around 28.50 in the S&P, 25.8 in the Dow, that a 200-300 point move is really nothing more than a blip. It's not a sell-off, it's not a rally, it's just a market that's trading in line, right? Yesterday was up a little bit on some fundamentals with Walmart earnings and whatnot. Lack of negative China news. Today, more negative China news, and we were down on it. But we're talking up 300, down 300. Let's not get wrapped around in that kind of a number. It's not a 1,000 point or a 500 point. It's 300. Consider it 10%, 30 points. No big deal. You wouldn't be getting that upset if it was a 30-point rally or sell-off. All that being said, we opened on some nice volume and on option expiration, down 250 points. And market held there. It didn't really break. It could have. It didn't. There was no follow-through on the sell side. And the market kind of turned around. It was like, you know what? Let's trade this market off of fundamentals. Let's put some money to work. This market is, are we going to get wrapped up in this wild tweetosphere that the president has got going on? Up 200, down 200. It's been proven historically that every sell-off has been a buying opportunity. So they took advantage of that here today on May 17th. They came to buy the market. We reversed from down 250 points to up 100 points. And we spent a lot of the afternoon at that level. Now, all that being said, I got kind of short the market here around midday. What time is it? Let's see what that happened. That was 11. Market sort of panned down a little bit around 11:30, 12. Off of lack of they weren't putting the gas pedal to the metal. It was kind of a sideways trend most of the afternoon. Market trading flat in the afternoon, and then we had news come out. They started reiterating the sell negative narrative over China. That there was, the talks had stalled, that we were in a flux on negotiations, and negotiations were over for the time being. The market did not like that. I would say it was around 3 o'clock. We sold off 150 points. It was beneficial to my situation at the time, and that's all fine and good. It's rare that you have a position that the news goes your way and you end up making a little money on it. That was the story of the afternoon. We ended up closing at the lows of the day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down a hunch. Transports off 150. Russell off 21. Definitely some profit taking there. Spiders off 17. Definitely some profit taking there. Oil basically flat on the day. Dollar up an odd lot. Gold off 10. A lot of red on the screen. Reasonable volume, 900 million. I would say 3-to-1 on sell side volume relative to buy. All that being said, let's go home and not worry about it. It was a mixed week. I don't even know if we were up and down on the week. We were down 1,000, 2 days of up 300. You know what? I don't even know as the week left. But I know is that we closed at 28.60 on the S&P, not bad. We closed at 25.7 on the Dow, not bad. So basically flat to a slightly negative narrative off record highs coming in out of the week before. So let's go with that. Don't get wrapped up in it. It's Friday. Go home. My daughter's graduating from college on Sunday. I'm going to relax. Going to the casino on Saturday. Have a nice steak. Smoking a pancake. I'm putting $100 on black. $50 on red. We'll see how it goes. I love you all. It's NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Inside Verge Top. Stick with me. Woo! See you Monday.